Today we're looking at 10 affordable classic cars and trucks from the 1950s through the 1970s. Some run, some don't, and most need work. We'll go over the price, location, and real condition. No hype, just the facts. 1. Ford Granada, $1,900, Wonder Lake, Illinois. This 1978 Ford Granada shows 100,000 miles and comes with Ford's inline-six engine paired to a 3-speed manual with overdrive. The seller says it runs fine, but it currently needs a battery and at least one replacement tire due to sidewall damage. Power steering requires either a pump replacement or rebuild, although adding fluid allows it to be driven. Second gear occasionally pops out, so transmission adjustment may be needed. The dash is partially apart from an unfinished stereo installation. Overall, described as solid. At $1,900, it's usable, but clearly needs mechanical sorting. 2. Chevrolet Silverado 2500 Custom Pickup 4D 8 feet, $3,000, Clarksville, Tennessee. This 1977 Chevy C20 Camper Special shows 88,000 miles and comes with a TH400 automatic transmission. The current 350 small block has rod knock and will need replacement, though it reportedly has Edelbrock upgrades. The frame is described as very clean, while the body does have visible rust and will need cosmetic work. Tires are said to be excellent. The seller suggests installing a junkyard engine to get it back on the road. At $3,000, it's structurally promising, but mechanically not ready. 3. 1969 Mercury Cougar, $2,500. This 69 Cougar project shows 80,000 miles and comes with a 351 Windsor and factory air. The car does not currently run. Floors, rockers, and trunk are described as very clean, though there is rust in the quarters and some bubbling on the doors. It is 99% complete and includes extra trim pieces and panels. Clear title included. A solid restoration candidate, but it will require mechanical recommissioning. 4. Volkswagen Rabbit Hatchback 2D, $2,200, Marion, Kentucky. This 1977 diesel Rabbit shows 100,000 miles and has an automatic transmission. The seller says it runs great, but recommends trailering at home due to a charging issue likely related to the alternator. It hasn't been regularly driven in years, though it is started occasionally. The car features an aftermarket ragtop and sits on coilovers. No visible rust holes are reported. At $2,200, it appears solid overall, but will need electrical attention before regular use. 5. Plymouth Fury 3, $1,200, Taylor, Missouri. This 1977 Fury 3 is being sold as is with no title. The 318 has been soaked in ATF and now turns over with a starter, but it has sat for many years. The car is described as mostly complete, except for the missing grille. The trunk lock is frozen, though it comes with keys. There is noticeable body damage, but the underside and floors are said to be solid with minimal rust. At $1,200, it's either a revival attempt for someone or a practical parts car. 6. Pontiac Phoenix, $1,200, Evansville, Indiana. This 1978 Pontiac Phoenix shows 178,548 miles and is currently not running. The seller states it previously ran and drove reliably, including longer trips over 45 minutes without issue. It now refuses to start, despite having newer components such as a water pump, alternator, and belts. The exact problem is unknown. The seller mentions simply being tired of working on it. At $1,200, this is an inexpensive late 70s compact that could need minor troubleshooting or something more involved. 7. Ford F100 Custom, $1,200, Batesville, Arkansas. This 1974 F100 Custom has 144,000 miles and a V8 paired with a 3-speed manual on the column. The engine is currently seized due to sitting. There is rust in the floors, though the cab corners are reportedly solid. Headlights and turn signals work, and the doors close properly with functional windows. It comes with a title in hand. At $1,200, It's realistically a project truck or part source with some solid structural areas. 8. 1962 Ford Fairlane 500, $1,800. This Fairlane 500 project originally had a 221 V8, but the current engine is seized due to rusted cylinders. A 260 V8 is included with the sale. The trunk is solid, though it needs front floorboards and has some rust. It comes with a clean title. This is clearly a non-running project, but it appears structurally decent overall. A traditional early 60s Ford restoration candidate. 9. Chevrolet 3201 half-ton pickup, $2,300, Hillsboro, Kentucky. This 1955 Chevy 3200 long bed is equipped with a 235 inline-6 that is currently stuck. The truck rolls and steers, which simplifies transport. Rust is present in common areas, including around the windshield frame, but is described as reparable. An extra driver door is included, although it does not match the current finish. It is being sold with a bill of sale only, no title. At $2,300, it's a classic truck project with paperwork considerations. 10. MG Chen 5, $1,000, Kent, Ohio. This 1974 milligrams GHN 5 shows 85,000 miles and features a manual transmission. It comes with a clear title. The previous owner reportedly claimed it ran and drove, but the current seller has not been able to get it started. No additional mechanical details are provided. It is being sold strictly as is. At $1,000, it represents an affordable entry into vintage British sports cars. Though condition and needs remain uncertain, that's the full list of 10 budget classics. Each one comes with potential, but also real-world needs. If you appreciate honest classic car overviews, stay tuned for the next lineup.